In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Afghan ambassador in Tehran meets with Ali Akbar Nazari, the Director General of Protocol in Iran's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Authorities address 61 cases related to women's rights in the past week. And this toll from cargo plane crash in Kentucky rises to 12 individuals. Welcome to today's news package. It's Thursday, the 15th of Jamadi al-Awwal 1447, the 15th of Agrab 1404, and the 6th of November 2025. The news details. Maulavi Fazl Muhammad Haqqani, the ambassador of Afghanistan in Tehran, met with Ali Akbar Nazari, the Director General of Protocol in Iran's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Based on the Afghan embassy in Iran, the two sides discussed ways to strengthen diplomatic cooperation and enhance interactions between the embassy and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Ministry of Propagation of Virtue and Prevention of Vice reports that its inspectors have addressed 61 cases related to women's rights during past week. The ministry added that its officials have also identified 139 individuals with mental illnesses, referring them to healthcare centers for treatment. In addition, 9 sorcerers were arrested, 26 cases of enmity and dispute resolved, and 78 awareness sessions were held with merchant and business people. The news continuation. The Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development announced the completion and integration of 111 development projects in Nawa, the district of Ghazni province, with a total cost exceeding 113 million Afghanis. The project includes the construction of roads, bridges, culverts, retaining walls, and irrigation canals. And finally, the death toll from the crash of a cargo plane in the U.S. state of Kentucky has risen to 12 individuals. In accordance with Reuters, the aircraft crashed on Tuesday evening, November 4th, during takeoff. Kentucky state officials report that in addition to 3 crew members on board, 9 people on the ground were killed and several others injured when the plane collapsed. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our loyal viewers Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.